obstructed your view. But this is only crazy if you think it's crazy, and of course it's always up to you. Now there's so much to say you won't give away. Don't think you'll ever decide, so you leave it up to me to say what we both mean. I'm sorry, but I'm over the ride, because the last time we had a nice time, baby, it was so long ago. Oh, it was the right time, but now I think that I'm ready for me to let you go. So why do you care anymore? Why do you care? Why do you care anymore? All this time did you think I would be here for your sake? I hope you brought a bottle of wine. And if it's a drinking problem, I'll be laughing at the bottom, because I already finished mine. But there's so much to say, it's a giveaway what you really feel inside. So you leave it up to me to say what we both mean. I'm sorry, but I'm over the